Sorry about that, the thing is cut out for some reason or other. Okay, so at this point we have 6.1. The equation of AB is y is equal to negative 3x plus 3. And I indicated the last couple of seconds there, the only time you can do a substitution on C, if that C value is known to be your y-intercept. Okay, the y-intercept is given, that is your C value. Okay, let's carry on. You get 6.2. In 6.2, they want the equation of CD, which is this line. But what do we know about CD in relation to AB? They're parallel. How do we know it's parallel? The parallel lines there. Can you see that, people? So if lines are parallel, what do we know? Gradients are the same. So what is the gradient of AB? So the gradient of AB is equal to the gradient of CD, which is equal to, what was the gradient of this line? Negative 3. Can you see that, people? It's easy, man. So what do we write now? Y equals mx plus c. But what's your m value? So you fill that in. Y is equal to negative 3x, yes, plus c. What is c normally? Your y-intercept. Do we have a y-intercept here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What's the value of your y-intercept?
Negative.
Negative 2. How do we can see it here, it's negative 2. Not so?
Yes, sir.
So, y is equal to negative 3x minus 2. Okay. If I'm you people, I would start rewatching all these lessons. Okay, because we're coming to an end now to this chapter. Okay, start rewatching every lesson. Okay, pause the video. If you see the sums on the board, pause the video. You do it first, and then you will rewatch it. When you're done, display, and you mark it from there. It will eradicate to eliminate all the mistakes you have made. Okay. And this graphs are very important. You're going to do this trigonometry for those who are going to do maths. If you're going to go to university, you're still going to do straight line graphs. Okay. And most of you are going to university, not so? Why not? Why spend so much money here if you're not going to go to university? Huh? No, you must go study further. Okay. Let's build our economy. Right, the coordinates of E. Remember now, we got the equation of AB, we got the equation of CD. Now they want you to work out the coordinates of E. Where do we find E? In the middle. In the middle. But what is E to us? What is this here? Can you see that? E is your x-intercept. So how do we calculate our x-intercept? Let y equal to 0. X-intercept, let y equal to 0. So since that is on the line of CD, am I going to let y equal to 0 in AB? No. We're going to let y equal to 0 in CD. Do you all understand? Now make y 0 and then you solve for x for me quickly. So what do we have? 0 equals negative 3x minus 2. You take a negative 3x over the equal sign, not so? So it becomes 3x is equal to negative 2. Then what? Divide by 3. It cancels. So x is equal to negative 2 over 3. Ever answered the question? No. What's the question? The coordinates of E. In the coordinate form we always write x then y, not so? So E would simply be negative 2 over 3. And what's your y value on this x-axis? Is negative 3 over 2. What's your y value on this line? Huh? People, anywhere on your x-axis y is 0. Anywhere on your y-axis x is 0. Yes. And there it's also confirmed there. So what is your y value? 0. So this point E is negative 2 over 3 and 0. You understand? And the last question, they want you to determine or find the value of A. Find the value of A. If we look at the diagram, find A here. Okay? Okay? How can there be a 0 there? In the middle of nowhere. The zeros we'll find where? On the axis. Either on the x-axis or on the y-axis. That's obvious. So that point 1 and A. That point 1 and A is lying on which line? ED or CD or DE? What is it?
CD.
Yes, CD. It's lying on line CD. Can you see that, people? It's lying on this line here. So in order to calculate A, we're going to substitute that point 1 and A. We're going to substitute it into the equation of line CD. Does it make sense? It can't be substituted in AB. Why? Because it's not lying on AB. So what we do is we're going to substitute 1 and A into the equation of CD, which is y is equal to negative 3x minus 2. Okay. Remembering that this is a, what is this? An x and a y. So do the substitution quickly. A sum like this is worth 3, 6, 7, 8, 10 marks. A sum like this, 10 marks. Okay. So what do I write? I say A equal negative 3 times minus 2. What's negative 3 times 1? Negative 3 minus 2, which is? Negative 5. So A is negative 1. You understand? Now coming back to the homework of yesterday. I asked you to do number 14, correct? You won't be able to finish all this work now. So for homework, I would like you guys to do whichever sums you haven't completed yet from this exercise. Okay? You know exactly which sums you haven't done. Who's taking our homework now? You know what wasn't done from that exercise? Okay. So wait a second. So for homework, we have done, out of this exercise, we've done number 1. We have done all of number 2. Number 3 we have done. Number 4. Number 5 we haven't done yet. Or have we done number 5? Supposed to, but I didn't give you this to do. Ma'am? Right. So for homework, I would like you guys to do number 5 to 10. We did none of this here, no? Okay, so, but I haven't answered these questions yet. No. Okay, now if you have followed all the homework and you have done all of these things, then you don't have to redo this, okay? However, if you didn't do it, please do it for Monday. Okay, yes, my girl. When Watson comes back, you can do it. No? So 5 to 7 to 10 we're going to answer in the next video. Number 10, 11, sorry. Point 1 to 11.5 is completed. Okay? I gave you 12, 13 to do for homework. Not so. Now, when you did this homework, you were confused. Not so. Why? Because this work was just explained to you today. So now you take that information that I taught you today, you will be easily answering number 12 and 13 now. Okay? Go here to number 14. That I'm going to run through before you break. No, I think I'm going to stop here today. Okay? So number 14, I've given you to do already.
Yes, sir.
Jessica, you're taking down what is our work. Okay. So 14, you should have done, you shouldn't have had a problem with. Did I give you number 15? We've done number 15 already.
Yes, sir.
Number 16,
Yes, sir.
17, 18. Okay, add 19 to the homework. 23, 20, sorry. I didn't give you 20 to do. No, so you should be able to do 20 now. 21, 22, 23, 24. So that brings us to the end of all this. So listen, whichever questions we haven't completed, you complete now. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you a picture of the written memo. No? The written memo I've written out. I'm going to send that to the group. Okay, so that you can also mark your work. And then whatever you're still confused about, Monday when I do the sums, you can tell me exactly what the issue is. Okay, you guys may pick up.